Clean, well-kept home with large backyard and in-ground pool. The fencing and trees around the property provide a lot of privacy. It is a very zen place to start the day drinking a cup of coffee with the sounds of pool water splashing. The raised garden beds are only 3 years old with quality dirt for wonderful veggies and flowers. The interior boasts a well-designed layout. The large frog is serviced by a full bathroom at the bottom of stairs and is located on the opposite side of the home from the other bedrooms, allowing added privacy. Large kitchen and huge living room is great for entertaining. The master has 2 closets and the home is well appointed with plenty of storage. Quarterly pest control has been maintained from Hampton Road's Termite and Pest. The new homeowners will enjoy the friendly and well-established neighbors, proximity to bases, shopping, and the quality of life found in the sought-after Thoroughood area.